Hey guys, right here I have this absolutely huge 1760 piece kit. This is gonna have all of your hex socket head bolts, and you're gonna have nuts and washers included in this kit. You're gonna have a ton of different sizes, so let's open this up. There are so many different options. I mean, look how small these are. I mean, those are so small. I think we have an M2 all the way to an M8 hex head, and these are just gonna be super practical if you're doing any kind of DIY jobs and you're just running into anything that you have to do some kind of custom work to. It could be furniture, it could be working on your motorcycle, your car, just building something in the garage. This is definitely a necessity. High quality material. This is gonna be a 12.9 grade alloy steel, so it's going to be very durable, very strong, something that you could pair up with some Loctite for a kit, and it's going to be the perfect solution to any kind of DIY job. So I do love how these are looking, and you have so many different sizes. These are going to be the nuts. This kit just about has it all. I honestly can't believe how small some of these are, but they have it all. Take a look at that. You're gonna have a kit for just about anything. Maybe your friends will give you a call because they need some nuts and bolts, and you're gonna have it all right here. Comes with a great lid that closes, and you can just store this right in your garage very easily and quickly to be accessed. You also get everything labeled on the outside so you know what's in the kit. But this is amazing, makes a great gift. Definitely recommend to have this in your garage. Add it to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.